for a very long time. I'm gonna change it. If this was a car where you were out on the road and you were putting 3,000 miles on it, and it's not a GT, it's a, just a standard car, and the oil's super clean, and the light's coming on at 7,000, but I'm changing it early, I'm going to start extending those oil changes out a little bit, maybe 4,000, 5,000, and just kind of watching my oil. But in a car like this where it sits a lot and it's, really nice, and it's 6 months to a year or something, and you're only putting 3,000 miles on it, I'm going to be changing it.
The algorithm that's in the computer for turning that light on, is it have a timestamp also?
That one, I believe, is just mileage.
I was curious if that was new enough where it got some of the newer technology where it was also bringing in a timestamp into the algorithm to say,
no, that's why he's getting it at 3,000 miles.
Yeah.
Coming across.
Second.
I thought it crossed my mind.
That help you out there, Phil?
Yes.
Do you think?
Let's go, man. Let's just
Yes, the barriers are down. Oh, only if you're going across. It's behind us.
Oh. Put it in there every 3,000 miles and feel good about it.
Well, too bad you can't dump that used oil in.
Oh, we've got to go across there, I think, so we will be stopping.
Oh, exactly.
Open your window, babe.
Can you make that? Can you do that at home? I mean,
oh, we're going down a dip. No, we're going under it.
No.
I can see it in my mirror.
Oh,
It's all right, babe. It's all right.
right.
It's all right. It's going to go over the top of us as we go into this tunnel.
I'd like to see them as well.
I know. Well, we'll probably catch up with it. No, we won't. It's going that way.
Sounds like it's on the other side.
Just going over the top of us now. Literally now. Ha! So this little windy road is good because it's taken us off the highway for a bit. So we've missed some issue that was on the highway. I don't know what it was.
Yeah, we see some lovely back roads.
We do.
Some
Right.
trees around there.
And
They're
down.
just having fun as well. They've had some storms here.
They have.
They're recent.
Blimey, what's going on there?
Tree, aren't they? Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's burnt. Wow.
Be in Wales.
Could be. Cheddar Gorge.
To the caravan.
So at the end of this holiday, we will have three free nights. So we can go somewhere, babe. And you mentioned Wales.
As I said, I'm happy with what we've got done. And we've got Tenerife, and I'll look at the situation when we get back.
3 free nights.
Yeah, but you need some money still.
We could take it easy, just park up somewhere, chill.
Our pensions, hopefully, well, they will. They've never not come in this week for us. That's good.
That's a funny bit of a bridge there, look. Looks like they're chopping it up. Sharon Church of God. Dry Branch Independent Missionary Baptist Church. Interesting little community.